open. It's actually open. So we can take a visit to the boat. This is like, you could say, they've designed it like you're walking onto a boat, as you can see, because that thing at the end there is the boat, or ship, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's done it like a ship. As you can see the end to it, they're like a ship. I just want to show you for a minute how it is. At the other end, if you're on the top, it looks like you're on, oh, you got the Docklands on there? Yeah, on the top, it looks like you're on a ship sailing. It's pretty clever how they've done it though. We need to go upstairs though to have a look. We've got to go through the rainforest. If it's open, that is. If it's not, ouch. We shall soon see. Crossrails downstairs. Yes, the escalators are on, but they're going very slowly. Look. Oh, it started to speed up when I got on there. How weird. They speed up when you get on there. It's like they've got automatic feel to it. Here we are, going to the rainforest, guys. The rainforest! Got a lot into videos for today. It's like all cool stuff to see. Yeah. Really, it slows down. I bet it stops when you get off. The escalator's going to slow down now. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, we're going to the rainforest now. We're going to explore that. Go to the jungle. You can see some exotic plants. And have a look around. We do get birds in there because it is open. If you would like to know. I think it's got a gap. I might have to take my hat off when I get to the bit at the other end. Wow, it's nice in here. Rainforest. Look how nice it is. Wow. Rainforest. You can hear the birds. Oh wow. This is like, you could say it's like equivalent to Covent Gardens. I mean, say equivalent to Kew Gardens without the cost. Wonderful, isn't it? It's beautiful, isn't it? I like to hear the birds in here. Like the palm tree up there. Wow. Listen to that. I like it's overgrown. The sun, the summer. Oh, some birds. Wildlife. Female blackbird. Oh no. There's a bird feeder up there. There's birds going in the bird feeder. It's nice in there, isn't it? We're going to come back the other way in a minute. Oh wow. This is good for a day out. I might take my mum here. So she can have a nice day out. Oh, this is sick. I like where it's overgrown. Oh, it's getting a bit dark in here. I told you all about the plants, you read them about them, which is interesting. Yeah, it's nice in here. How cool can you get? I'm taking my time in here. Oh, these are bamboo sticks. These are bamboo. These are actual bamboo. Look at that actual bamboo growing. It's nice in there. You've got to come here, guys. Canary Wharf. And now we're going to venture on our way out. I enjoyed that. And we're going to go down that bit. I meet the other end because it'll be very windy. I've got to take my hat off because the wind will pick up so bad. And it feels like, you know, I'm going to the end of the ship. I'll keep the film rolling. Tell you what, keep it rolling. The film, they blocked it off, which is annoying. It's a dead end, which is a bummer. I'm trying to get to the end and show you, but apparently you're not allowed to go to the end. That's the best part as well. Best part at the end of the ship. Look at that. Want to get to the end of the ship. Okay, about turned, guys. We're going the other way now. Making our way around the other way. That's a boring view. Looking at offices, isn't it? I don't want to see that while I'm on the ship, do we? I want to appreciate our ship that we're on. Canary Wharf ship. I know downstairs you got... Downstairs is downstairs, isn't it? Let's check the other side and see what they got. There's no way through, but I'm checking the other way anyway. I need to walk the opposite side to this. Now I'm going to go through this way. I know it's a dead end, but I'm going to have a look down there anyway. I'm going to show you for our ship. This is our ship. Well, by the way, they've got pubs up here in it. There's some pubs open in Canary Wharf, but they're really expensive. So I got myself a takeaway beer. I sat down and drank that anyway. Happy. Just feels like I went to a pub. Oh yeah, it's a bit further up. This shows you a bit further up. It's so tempting to jump those barriers and just show you quickly and come back. But apparently you can't. See, up here, the end of the ship. We're closer than the other one before. This one's closer. I like the barrels. Probably have their drinks here. This is the view they have. What? You want a nice view, don't you? Yes. Apparently there's a bit there. Just going to quickly show you end of the ship. Quickly show the end of the ship. Quickly, and then come back. End of the ship. Here, the view. Nice, we've got to make our way back because we're not supposed to be here. Preview, you should say. It's a preview. And now we make back way to the Rainforest, yeah. There's the Docklands train out there. Got to catch all the numbers yet. There's so many numbers to collect on these Docklands trains. So many. Anyway, we're going to go through the forest again, but in the opposite direction to the forest, and show you around the ship. I'm calling this the Canary Wharf ship because it's nice. It's a good ship. Taking my time here. Back into the rainforest. The rainforest is good. Look at it. Look. Here we go. In back into. I like it. All the branches are overgrown. It makes it very naturous. That we have to go through them. We can't literally go underneath them. We have to go through them. How wonderful this is. It's beautiful here, though. The noise of the birds. This is like botanic gardens because they've got unusual plants growing here. I like all the little pipes where the water squirts out. It's really looked after in here. It's really nice. View. Sick. The camera when we get back over. Continue our tour. This is nice actually. It's going to get boring at the other end anyway. I don't know if there's a forest at the other end. I think there's nothing at the other end. I think the forest is just here and that's it. That's it for our ship tour. The other side's blocked off. That dark bit. I like that. I can't believe there's a seat under there. They should put a seat under there actually. It's nice in here. Or there is a seat under here. Ah. Let's see what this information is about. Silk here. Spices. Yeah. I like it in here. Beautiful, don't you think? I'm just going to take a nice little rest in here before I go home. A nice little kip. Oh, beautiful in here, it's just lovely. It's just refreshing. I hope you enjoyed this rainforest experience. Look at that. Rainforest. The paths to take. To wonderful views. It's nice here, it's refreshing. I won't say it was cold, because it is a bit warm. It's refreshing. It's just nice to be here. Thank you for taking the tour. Until next time, guys. Welcome to Botanic Gardens in Canary Wharf. It's better from this angle. You got to come here, guys. You got to come here. Oh, there's a blackbird.